You know what's underrated but seriously delicious? Shalgam Saag. Simple, desi and full of winter comfort. Let's begin. Let's start by chopping fresh greens, which in this case is our beloved spinach. Remember to remove the stems beforehand. Here comes our superstar turnip or shalgam. Peel it well and chop it into small and even pieces. Simmer some water and add in the chopped turnips. Top it up with chopped spinach, some finely chopped ginger, finely chopped green garlic, and chopped green chillies for that extra zing. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Let's open the pressure cooker. Now that our vegetables are soft and supple, let's mash them with a wooden masher with slow and steady presses, just like the traditional way. If the modern way suits you better, it's okay to use a hand blender, but I like the traditional style. Once done, add in some wheat flour, which helps bind the vegetables together. Mix well and make sure there are no lumps in the mixture. Our saag mixture is done. It's time to make our pan sizzle. Heat some ghee, add chopped ginger, chopped garlic and chopped green chillies and stir for that aroma to open up. Time to saute some onions until they become golden brown. Looks perfect. Let's move ahead with chopped tomatoes, some salt to taste, add red chili powder, some turmeric powder, coriander seeds powder, cumin seeds powder, and finally some water. Once the masalas are in, let's wait and see the flavors mingle together. Pop some raw spinach into the masala. That will add an awesome crunch element in the creamy saag. As the final step, let's add the Shalgam Saag mixture into the pan and mix it well to create a perfect smooth and flavorful symphony. Look at that texture. Trust me, this absolutely delicious saag will taste great the traditional way, with some makke ki roti and some piping hot parathas. Relish it and try this at your home and do let us know how you found it. Eat well, live well and stay blessed.